here, and I got Spike. This is our new shelf that we bought. It's a Rola cargo shelf, and I bought the Rola LED kit to put in it. And this way we can take along. I have a UWS aluminum chest I'm going to put back here, where I can carry like lawn chairs and just different things outside of the RV. But this is the shelf. It's a really nice, strong shelf. I like it, and Spike seems to like it. Spike, you comfortable? When we go down the highway, we're not going to keep Spike back here, though. But I'm going to put a chest back here. I'm going to relocate my license plate to the back. I added these lights, but I'm going to add some extra lights to the chest itself. So I'm going to go in and actually my wife's going to go in and turn the lights on so you can see what the brake lights look like. In the meantime, I'm going to take Spike out of here so he doesn't jump. Come here, buddy. Here's what it looks like with no lights on. Okay, there's the left turn signal. Right turn signal. Brake lights. And emergency flashers. And that's running lights. So, as we're behind it, there it is.